Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making two very useful cycling gadgets. So let's see how they are made. For making this project I have taken two PVC pipe sheet. I have cutted them in round shape. You can cut them in any size. Please see that the circles are not so small in size. Then I have taken 3 pieces of PVC pipe. 2 are bigger and 1 is smaller. I have fitted one of the pipe inside the bigger. Then I have taken one more big pipe which can get inside like this. Now we will stick both the pipes on the PVC sheet which we have taken. We have to use instant glue for sticking it. Now I have stuck both the pipes with instant glue and they now can be joined like this together. So now I have taken a piece of foam, I have cut it in round shape and made a hole in between of the size of the pipe. Now I will insert it in between. Now it is looking like this. Now it can be used in our bicycle. For making this project I have taken a piece of MDF board. Then I have taken a mobile phone which I can use during cycling. We have to cut the MDF board in rectangular shape according to the size of the phone. The board can be easily cutted with a hexa blade. We have to make also the borders of the box so that the phone do not fall. So as now I have completed the cutting and the box is looking like this. Now our phone can fit exactly inside the box and it will not fall. Then I have made the border of the box so that the phone do not fall. Now we will be needing a sheet like this which is transparent. We can also use glass, but glass can break if we fall down. Then I have attached a hinge to it and now it can open like this and can be closed and our phone will not fall. We have to use a lock in the front side of the sheet. Here we have to use a lock like this which can easily open and close. This will protect our phone from falling, but I was not having the lock right now, so I will not be using the lock. Now I have attached the glass sheet here. I have attached the hinge using instant glue. You can also use air tight. Now our phone can come easily and it will not fall. Now I will be fitting a phone inside. Now I have fitted the phone and the screen is and the glass is fully transparent. From here we can see the screen. We can use it for seeing navigation and for listening to songs. Just have to put some oil in the form provided here. Then we have to keep it here. Then we have to move the chain in backward direction. You can see it can easily oil it. Generally, when we oil the chain of our bicycle or motorcycle, a lot of oil is spilled. But by using this, no oil will be spilled and the chain will be oiled very efficiently. To change the foam, just we have to move. Just we can open this like this, and then the foam can come out. Then we can replace it with a new and then cap it again. So guys, this device will help when we are riding a bicycle or a motorbike. It can be sticked on the handle and it will not come out. Here we can keep the phone. We can open the cover and then we can keep the phone and then we can close it. The phone will not fall. Like when we go somewhere, we have to see navigation. We can see the navigation through it. If we want to listen songs, we can play the songs on the phone and we can listen the songs through the earphones. We can stick it using M-Seal, air tight or these types of holders. It is a very useful gadget. You can also make it at home.